Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling NFC so the phone can read tags, open settings, tap connection and sharing, then toggle NFC on. Once done, make sure the screen is unlocked and your My 11 Lite 5G rests on a table, no thick metal cases, which interfere. You need the physical NFC tag or contactless card at hand because you'll pair and test immediately. These steps let you avoid signal drops and speed testing. Follow them now so the phone is ready for the next setup stage. Now configure how the My 11 Lite 5G handles tags. In connection and sharing, tap NFC, then touch to pay or other defaults. Choose read/write if you plan to program tags. Next, install NFC tools or a similar app to read and write payloads. These apps show antenna range and required placement. When you test, move the tag slowly around the phone's back center until the app detects it. This helps you find the sweet spot. Make adjustments to default actions so the phone responds the way you want. Finish by writing a stable NFC record and verifying it immediately. Use the app's write feature, then read back to confirm content. Once verified, test real-world scenarios. Try a contactless payment, a task automation tag, or a simple data transfer to ensure reliability. If something fails, reboot the phone, toggle NFC off and on, remove the case, and check for system updates. These steps usually resolve antenna or software conflicts. If problems persist, retry with a different tag to rule out faulty media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.